So while we have our the pot roast going, I'm going to be getting started on the side dish for this one, which is the Cajun mashed potatoes. This recipe is interesting because it uses cream cheese as a mix-in, which I haven't heard of that being used before, but it sounds pretty good. I love cream cheese, so of course I gotta try that out. And Cajun seasoning is pretty awesome. That's not the Cajun seasoning. So of course gotta try it just for that. But as you can see, not much here, so fairly straightforward. Our total for all of this ended up being $14.65, so not even too expensive. The only downside is we have 5 pounds of potatoes, and I don't have a potato peeler or a potato masher. So now what? It's actually better not to peel them because you get those extra vitamins and nutrients out of that potato skin. But other than that, I'll just wash these off at least. Wow, I actually did fit 5 pounds of potatoes into this pot. Let's go ahead and fill this with water and we'll get these boiled. And that is it, 25 minutes. We get our nice soft potatoes. Now I just need to drain these. So at this point we need to put it on low heat and then mash the potatoes and let the rest of the steam escape so that they're not so like watery, I guess. I'm going to attempt to be using my electric beater since I don't have a potato masher, so we will see how this ends up being. Well, that did work, but even on the lowest setting, it spins a little too fast, and now I've got like mashed potato residue on me because it throws it everywhere. Okay, so at this point, we just add in all of our other stuff and mix it together, and then we are pretty much ready to serve. So let's do that. But I'm gonna be honest here, I'm kind of glad I don't have a potato masher because my arm would probably be dead after all of that. Okay, one thing to note, I doubled up the seasonings as always because 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning for 5 pounds of potatoes is pretty much nothing. So you're gonna want to at least double it. You can see I've got a nice red tinge to it. You can smell the Cajun on there. It smells really awesome. I'm excited to try this, definitely. What else? I also accidentally put in 2 teaspoons of pepper instead of 1 that the recipe calls for, or a half what it actually called for. But not like that matters because pepper. Yeah. Well, I'd say this turned out pretty well. It smells really good. It looks really good. It's got that nice color. I'd say you could probably add more cream cheese if you wanted to, maybe double the cream cheese, maybe double the seasonings again. I don't know. Depends on what you want. But other than that, This is pretty good. Feel free to modify it however you want. Thanks for watching.